Okay, so have you got the concept of switch case? Hello. Have you got the concept of switch case? Switch case चा concept समजलाय का तुम्हाला? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the next. Okay, let me check again. You are responding very slow. So I will give you one more problem statement now. Okay. Implement a program to display choice of following. First, perimeter of rectangle. Third, area of circle. And fourth, area of square. Okay, so we are having the problem statement. I want to display the choice in the form of, yes, in the form of area of rectangle, perimeter of rectangle, then area of circle and area of square. Okay, are you getting this? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Okay, so what program we need to implement? We need to implement a program which should display the choice. Okay, now when the question is like this, I came to know I need to use here switch case program, where if I enter choice 1, it should display the area of rectangle. If I'm giving the choice 2, it should display the perimeter of rectangle. When I give the choice number 3, it should display the area of circle. And when I give choice 4, so it should display area of square. Okay, so have you understood now problem statement? Hello? Hello? Have you understand this question? Have you understand this problem statement? Hello? So we need to use here switch case. Okay, following using, okay, I will mention you for switch case concept. Okay, so here you need to use switch case concept for the implementation of this program. Okay, so now how to implement, or can you tell me what is the formula for calculating area of rectangle? Yes, what is the formula for calculating? Yes, length into breadth. Okay, I will take for L for length and into breadth. Okay, Then what is the formula for calculating perimeter of rectangle?
2 into L plus B.
Yes. Make sure you should write into. Okay. 2 into L plus B. What is the formula for displaying area of circle?
2 pi r. Pi r square.
Yes, pi r square. It is not 2 pi r. Okay. Pi r square. Okay. Now for this pi, either you can use this variable or directly you can use 3.14 in the calculation. Pi r square, r into r. Okay. And how we are going to display area of square? How to calculate area of square? Yes. How to calculate area of square?
Side square.
Side square. Okay. If let's say if I have selected length, so here L into L. Okay. So likewise, it will be get calculated. Okay. So with this, I came to know I need to use this length as one variable, breadth or width as second variable, third variable is radius. Okay, so I need to have 3 variables in my program. Okay, so I will start programming here. Integer, let's say L is equal to 10. Then I'm having breadth is equal to again 10 or width, and again I'm having radius is equal to, let's say, 10. Okay, so I'm having this. Now what is my what are my constraints? I need to, okay, I need one more variable to hold all those, the result. Let's say, okay, P is the variable which will hold the result, and I need, okay, up to this. So I will start first calculating. Yes, what is the first? I need to calculate area of rectangle. So area of rectangle, I'm going to store the value into P. What is the formula for area of rectangle? Yes, length into breadth, L into B. Okay, and here answer is going to be stored into printf. It will be stored here into, yes, answer kashamadhe store will area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to %d, as I have selected all the values in the integer format, and it is going to be print. The answer is there in the P. Okay, so I will run the program. Area of rectangle is length into breadth, 10 into 10, that is 100. Now similarly, I will move for next. What is my next question? Perimeter of rectangle. So what is the formula for perimeter of rectangle? Yes, 2 into L plus B, right? So instead of area, I will make it here perimeter. So answer will be stored here into perimeter. 10 plus 10, 20, 20 into 2, 40. Okay, so answer will be 40. So I got area of rectangle. I also got area of, sorry, perimeter of rectangle. Then my next question is here, display area of circle. So for circle, I have used here as radius of type integer. Okay, I will use one more variable of type float because I'm having the formula 3.14 into r. 3.14 is a decimal number, so the answer will be in the form of decimal. To handle the decimal, I need to have, yes, I need to have one variable which is of type float. Okay, so I will use this x equal to 3.14 into r into r. Okay, and I am going to print area of circle. area of circle. Okay, now as I have taken this x as a type of float, so I will use format specifier as %f and I'm going to print the value. Okay, so I got this answer. Okay, because 3.14 into r, that is 100. So this decimal is yet shifted. Okay, if we have declared this x is a type of integer, so I can get the value is 314. But if I'm having some other value for radius, so at that time it will be like in the decimal format, a complete number in the decimal format. So to handle such cases, we need to use the float numbers. And last is what? I'm going to use P is equal to length into length, that is area of square. I'm going to use this, the same area of square. Okay, %d, as P is a type of integer, so I need to use format specifier as %d. Okay. Okay. Up to this, the calculation is completed. Have you understood up to this? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I have completed this calculation part, but what is asked in the question? Implement a program to display choice of following switch case. Following. Okay, that means this. Display the choice. So I need to use printf statement to display the choice. Okay, here I am going to use printf statement. Printf choice 1. Yes, what is choice 1? Area of rectangle. Choice 2. Perimeter of rectangle. Choice 3. Area of circle. Choice 4. Area of square. Okay, so if you check, it is displayed, but it is not correctly working. Okay, if you check here, the choices are displayed and simultaneously it execute all the 4. I don't want this. I want to execute as per my choice. Let's say if I give choice 1, it should display only area of rectangle. If I give choice 2, it should display me perimeter of rectangle. Okay, for this we are having switch case concept. Okay, so I'm going to use switch case, switch, the syntax of switch, and here the switching variable. Let's say, okay, I will take one more variable here, A, and here I'm going to use it, the open curly bracket and close curly bracket. Okay, this is the body of switch. Now, along with switch, we need to use the case 1, case as a keyword, then case 2, case 3, here case 4. Okay, These are the 4 cases. If I run the program, it is waiting. Let's say if I give choice 1, but it gives me error that it is not going to be executed because the value is not going to assign to the A. Okay, so for that I need to scan the value from this user. Okay, whatever the value I have written here, it has become one value lily. Okay, it has to be scanned into this variable A, which we have used as switching variable. Switching variable कुठले यूज केले आपण A. आता A साठी आपण व्हॅल्यू स्कॅन करून घेतली का युजर कडून. We have not get the value from user because we have not used scanf function. Neither we have assigned or we have declared the value for variable switching variable A, right? So the program will not execute it. So here I'm going to take the value. Okay, first I will make one statement, printf enter your choice. Okay, enter your choice, and it is going to be stored here into scanf function. And again, choice is of type integer, so %d %a. Now the value is going to be assigned to this switching variable, whatever the value I'm going to give it from the screen. And when it founds the matching case, it is going to be executed. Okay, let's take run. If I give value 1 and enter, again it print all. What is missing? Yes, can you tell me why it prints again all the cases?
Break.
Yes, we know the use of break keyword, right? When I found the matching condition, matching case with switching variable, it should stop the working and it should come out of this loop. Okay, one more we have missing here as default. If I give any other choice out of these 4, it should give me some message. So how it can be? It can be done with default statement. Default printf enter correct choice or enter choice between 1 to 4, right? So only those choice we have given. Okay, so again I will try 1. Okay, now it is printing area of rectangle. So I will run the program again. If I write 2 and run 2, so it will give me perimeter. Okay, now once this is complete, now instead of taking the value from here, int l b r p a. Okay, these are the variables. Now here I am going to take all those things from the user. When I need to calculate area of rectangle, I will ask for first printf enter length of rectangle. Okay, is equal to, I'm going to store with scanf. Here I'm going to use the variable %d. कशामध्ये स्टोअर करतोय मी लेंथ l मध्ये. Okay, I missed the semicolons, so I will give it here. Okay, similar things I will use it for taking the width of rectangle. Value is going to be stored here. Okay, let's check whether it works or not. 1 1. Length of rectangle, let's say 100, width 20, L into B, that is 20 into 100, 2000. Okay, so area of rectangle will be 2000. Similarly, I can use this for, yes, perimeter. So don't forget to make this indentation. Indentation helps us for, yes, understanding your brackets, the body of statements very easily. Okay, so I have not changed the values, so case 2 also works. Length of rectangle will be, let's say, 15, width 10, 10 plus 15, 25, 25 into 2, 50. So perimeter will be this. Now here I need to take only, yes, the value for radius. Okay, in this case, I need to take the value for only radius. Enter radius of circle. Okay, and it is going to be stored into R. Run the program. So I will write 3, let's say 20, sorry. Okay, 3.40 into 20 into 20. Okay, so we'll find the answer this much. Now go to next statement, that is area of square. Here also I need only length. Length of square. Okay, length of square. See, if I give choice 4, length of square, let's say 100, L square, that is 100, sorry, 10, so it will give 100. Now I will run the program. If I give any other value, let's say 56, it gives me a message at enter choice between 1 to 4. Okay, once you complete this, you can make your program attractive by using. Okay, have you understood up to this point? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, here I'm going to write a message. Welcome to geometry. Okay, now check. Okay, I forget to make /n. See, welcome to geometry, choice 1. Okay, enter your choice. Here also I need to provide /n. Okay, have you got this? Hello? Hello?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay, so